Hello, today we'll be picking an ELA Fortress, the new version. We've got two dimples either side which tell us it's an ELA lock, and then hard plate above which is all red, tells us a Fortress. Working key opens, locks, and we start picking it. These can be quite fiddly sometimes, as we gotta lift all the levers up before we start picking it, unless you've got a special gauge turner, but I haven't. We're working through the pack, each in each. It can be quite fiddly lifting them all up at the beginning and then going back through picking them. What we did, we went through them, scraping the pick back and forth, lifting them just a little bit to gain them to lift a little bit. And we went back and forth, then picking each individual lever up to bind the one first, and then second bind the one third, and so on. And eventually, I found a shear line for them. And then now and again, you find one which is jammed, and you try to release tension just to let it drop a bit, only a little bit, and then lift it back up if need be, and eventually you will pick it. As you can see, I have picked the lock, and now it is open. Thanks again, James, Cardiff Locksmith. Thank you. Bye.